what I wish I knew about my Tesla's AC before summer hit. Let's dive in. First off, check your settings. Sounds basic, but sometimes the AC is off or set to fan mode instead of cool. Make sure you're not on climate control eco mode, which limits AC performance to save battery. Next, inspect your cabin air filter. A dirty filter can choke your AC's performance. If it's clogged, replace it. It's usually a quick and cheap fix. Still no luck? The refrigerant level might be low. Over time, refrigerant can leak, reducing cooling efficiency. Unfortunately, this isn't a DIY job. You'll need a pro to check and refill it. Another culprit could be software glitches. Teslas are computers on wheels after all. Make sure your software is up to date. A simple reboot of the system might just do the trick. Lastly, let's not forget about the condenser. It's the part that cools the refrigerant. If it's dirty or blocked, your AC won't work properly. Give it a good clean or have a mechanic do it. So, if your Tesla Model S is still not cooling, it might be time to visit a Tesla service center for a more in-depth check. Remember, staying cool isn't just about comfort, it's about enjoying the ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks to keep your Tesla running smoothly.